My name is Alfred James Hutchins. I'm about to make a video of my 9-inch Duracraft fan collection. I have one in pink.
Josh, you use your camera.
I got one in pink, one in blue. This one's more of like a gray and white, and this one's a dark gray and white. If there's any other colors out there that anyone else knows of, let me know, because I would like all the colors. We're going to start them all off on high. Alright, we're going to turn them off and go to low. And like I said, if anyone knows of any other colors other than the gray, blue, and pink, I'd be very much interested in getting them. I believe these are 9-inch fans. This is the back view for anyone who's curious. And this is my 9-inch Duracraft fan collection.